Hi, this is Bill from Hiragari. I'm back with another MiniDisc Mailbox. Here is an eBay purchase that I made some time ago that took a while to come in. Finally came in, and it was crunch time at the end of the school year at work, so I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. This was very weird for me because it's the first time I've had something from a private seller go through the whole eBay global hub type thing. So I'm going to crack this open and let's have a look at this. Now, this came from Florida in the United States, kind of. Okay. Let's have a look at what we've got here. Packed very, very well. I collect all the boxes and all the bubble wrap and use it when I want to sell things. Ooh, oh, this has a remote. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. MZ-R70 remote. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's MZ-R70. Let's have a look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, so I've got a MZ-R70 here. And let's crack this open. A Magnavox battery. Alright, so first of all, having a look here, it's shipped with a battery in it, which is pretty cool. There's no corrosion, which is really nifty. Very happy with that. Case looks really good. Synchro rec. So this is a MZ-R70 Sony recorder. If the battery's got any charge in it, that would be interesting. Grab a disc. Plug the remote in and see how that goes. Oh yes. This is honestly, I love the little light up displays, these MZ-R55, they're just, oh, it's fantastic. I love this blue in the display. It makes me feel so cyber, especially with the silver units. Very cool. So this is playing back really, really well. The battery's almost at full charge, which is very cool. This particular unit here has no weird sounds on startup. Could do with a little bit of a lube on the screw, maybe, just listening to this. So listening as the unit powers up, hit the play button. But now as I track it to the end of the disc. And basically, if that is too noisy, too grindy, then we may need to give it a bit of a lube job. But other than that, this is really good condition. The remote's in really good nick as well. There's not a lot of, normally you get maybe a lot of scratches on the screen here, on the plastic here. This is in really good nick. There's no kind of crap in the back of it. So I've lucked out again. Whoever owned this has kind of looked after it, or it's been sitting in a box. It's quite possible it's been sitting in a box. I was also interested in the fact that coming from Florida, which is a very humid area like tropical Queensland here where I live, about the possibility, like the other MZ-R55 breakdown that I did, that it kind of had some powdery stuff inside, which was a bit mildewy. That's very cool. And I like the fact that this one also will run on a AA battery, so easy to source batteries for these. I'm just going to do the same thing that I usually do, which is a bit of isopropyl alcohol, just a soft cotton makeup removing swab, and IPA onto the swab, and then just lightly rubbing that. Incidentally, this is how you know that the device was sold in the US, because it's got the battery recycle sticker on it, and then it's got this FCC sticker on the back of it, because my MiniDisc that I bought back in $2,099, $2,000 here in Australia doesn't have one of these. The other mini disc decks that I have purchased that have been sourced from places that aren't the United States don't have this sticker either. Sony MZ-R70. Very cool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more music technology, mini disc, random kind of videos, and hopefully some informative ones as well. You'll see this mini disc put to use in some ambient performance stuff coming up. So, you know, make sure that you keep an eye out for those, but make sure to hit that bell button notifications to get notified when new videos go up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.